The crypto market never sleeps, and greed bots are one of the best ways to get high returns from that volatility. But the bots only do what you tell them to do, so you'll need to follow a plan in order to keep getting consistent results on the daily. So we are going to see what is the best time to start a greed bot and also how you can make more profits from it by following an easy strategy. And if you stay until the end, you will also get a greed trading template which you can use to avoid getting in and out of charts constantly, and instead just inserting all the data on a sheet, which makes it much easier to run bots but also to manage your funds, your risk, and put the parameters on the bot that you want him to use. So stay tuned if you would like to check that out. I'm Hugo from awaketech.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple methodology you can follow to create profitable greed bots at the right time so that you maximize the profits while also benefiting from a medium to low risk. If you want to follow along, then you can grab the sheet from the link down in the description and you can start typing that info for your own bots. I'm going to use for this example a bot which is called bitsgap, but most of the settings can be applied to other greed bots, so don't bounce off yet. And you can even use TradingView to draw and then get your settings from watching the charts on TradingView to any bot that you might want to use. Greed bots will display performance data differently for the crypto pairs. On bitsgap there's a section with backtest results and you can see how a certain pair is performing in the last month, week, and in the last 3 days. The recommended strategies are a good starting point, but are not the only ones available. You will want to tweak the settings further for optimal results. For right now, all you need to do is look at the percentages for the 3 time frames I've just mentioned and see how they stack up to each other for the same pair, and then you would copy those percentages to the sheet that you can get on the description. Now, the second thing that we are going to take a look at is what's called a parabolic move. From time to time you will see some significant big moves going up and down like a roller coaster on the 6 hours or 8 hours chart, or one in between, and you can adjust the charts and zoom out to see those moves better. When a cryptocurrency drops after a big increase of price or a parabolic move, it is usually a good place to buy or your typical dip. Sometimes you can also draw some patterns such as a revival or survival patterns to reinforce your entry or buy point, but to make it easy, look for something similar to these values. So you want the crypto in the chart to have a 75% increase followed by a 30% decrease and mark it as a buying signal on your sheet. Next, you will want to look for a lower half, and to do so you can drag the cursor using the shift or clicking on the ruler tool, which you can find on TradingView or on your greed bot, and draw a box on the range area where you would trade between highs and lows, which is called a sideways channel. And if the price is below the middle line, then the coin is fair game. Next, we are also going to try and find double bottoms, and double bottom are just an easy to remember name for it, but you will just be looking for support zones with at least 2 lows closing in near the same area. So it means that it has to have at least 2 red candles hitting the same support level. If there's more than 2, then it is a stronger signal or support. You then will want to draw a rectangle or a box to see what that zone would look like by using the shift again, and you can tick your list if the price is near that area. The double bottoms don't necessarily need to be the price that the pair is currently at, because those levels can be formed up by previous double bottoms, but of course if they are closer to the actual price would be better, because we are opening greed bots for something like like 1 to 2 weeks, which is not extremely long but not short either. If you are done, now you can take a look at your list and choose a pair at your own discretion. If the coin category is also trending, then it is also a plus, or even if you already have an int, you can add another column to the list and start your bot afterwards. If you did try this strategy, please let me know down in the comments, and also tell me if you are able or not to get good results, or what might be missing from it, and what you would do also to maximize the potential of your own bot. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you want to learn more about grid bots. The next video will be about setting your grids correctly. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.